Hey music lovers, today I'm diving into the top 20 free music streaming platforms. Whether you're into mainstream hits, indie gems, or classical tunes, there's something here for you. First up, Spotify Free. With millions of songs, podcasts, and shuffle play on mobile, Spotify is a go-to choice. But remember, ads can interrupt your vibe and offline downloads aren't available. Next, YouTube Music Free. You get official tracks, albums, and music videos. The downside? Ads and no background play when you exit the app. SoundCloud Free is perfect for indie music and emerging artists. It's community-driven, so you can upload your own tracks too. But some tracks are locked behind a paywall and ads are present. Pandora Free offers personalized radio stations. Their AI curates playlists based on your taste. However, expect ads, limited skips, and no on-demand playback. Amazon Music Free offers a taste of its vast catalogue with some popular playlists and stations. Just know that offline playback isn't an option and the catalogue is limited compared to the premium version. Now for my Indian listeners, JioSaavn Free has a vast collection of Bollywood, regional and international songs. Lyrics display is a cool feature, but ads and no offline downloads can be a bummer. Ghana Free is another great option for Bollywood and regional music. It offers podcasts too. But again, you'll deal with ads and limited skips. Wink Music Free from Airtel offers a mix of Bollywood and international tracks. It's accessible to all users, not just Airtel subscribers. Ads and no offline downloads are the limitations here. Deezer Free boasts over 90 million songs and personalized recommendations, but you'll have to deal with ads and shuffle-only play on mobile. iHeartRadio Free offers live radio stations and customizable artist-based stations. No on-demand playback and ads are the trade-offs. For hip-hop, rap, and EDM lovers, AudioMac Free is your go-to. It even offers limited offline downloads. However, ads and some premium content locked behind a paywall are limitations. Reverb Nation is a discovery platform for independent artists. It's great for finding new music, but lacks mainstream tracks. Bandcamp supports direct artist sales and offers free streaming for many tracks. Some songs require purchase, and there are no official playlists. Jamendo is all about indie artists. Free music with no ads, but don't expect mainstream tracks. Live X Live, formerly Slacker Radio, offers curated stations and live festival streaming. Ads and no on-demand selection are the downsides. Musopen is a haven for classical music lovers. Free classical music with no copyright restrictions, but limited to classical genres. Last.fm Free offers music recommendations through its unique scrobbling feature. It's great for discovery, but lacks on-demand playback. TuneIn Free streams live radio stations worldwide. Perfect for talk shows, news, and podcasts. However, no on-demand music selection here. Mixcloud Free is for DJ mixes, radio hosts, and podcasters. Discover new music through curated mixes, but no traditional on-demand selection. Finally, Boomplay Free is Africa's leading music streaming service. Enjoy free African and international music with offline download options. Ads and limited skips are the trade-offs. So there you have it, folks. Each platform has its strengths and limitations. Whether you're into mainstream hits on Spotify or indie gems on SoundCloud, there's something for everyone. Drop a comment with your favorite platform and let me know if you need recommendations based on your music taste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more music tips and reviews. Catch you in the next one.